Hey there, it's Robert with budbells.com. Today's warm-up, one round of this warm-up. You're going to start out with 20 swings. "20 push-ups. Okay. Then you're going to do 10 dead hang cleans on each side. So hang the bell, back down. Okay, 10 on each side. 10 push presses on each side. This is just to warm up, so it's not to smoke you, okay? You're not going super heavy, just enough weight to feel it, you know, to warm up. 10 lunges on each side, with or without weight. You can pass the bell if you like. Okay, 10 on each side. 10 thrusters. And then 10 overhead squat with no weight. "20 push-ups and 20 swings. "20 push-ups. 20 swings. Okay? The workout is ladders. So it's 1 to 5, 5 to 1, back to 1 to 5. Okay? So there's 5 different exercises. You're going to start out with Renegade rows, 5 on each side. Or excuse me, 1 on each side. Double swings. That was 2, but you get the picture. You're only going to do 1 on the first round. Get up, sit up on each side. So I'm going to have them do get up, sit up with a knee bent. Practice the Turkish get up. That's the get up, sit up. Okay? Burpee, star jump. Star at the top. Lift your arms. I'll do one face towards the camera. Star jump, and then pistols on each side. This is where things get interesting and slow it down a little bit. All right? The music just slowed down. Oh, whew. That's going to be a good time. All right, there's your workout. Enjoy it. See you next time.